Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Microsoft Entra ID for AI integrations. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with Microsoft Entra ID for AI integrations, start by logging into your Microsoft Entra ID portal. Once logged in, navigate to the App Registration section. Click on New Registration to create a new application. Fill in the required details, enter a name for the application and select an appropriate account type. For the redirect URI, enter the URL where your AI application will handle responses. After filling in the details, click on the Register button to create your app. Once the app is created, take note of the application, client, ID and directory, tenant, ID. Next, go to the Certificates and Secrets section. Click on New Client Secret to generate a new secret for your application. Set an expiration for the client secret and click Add. Make sure to copy the client's secret value immediately, as it will not be shown again. Now head over to the API Permissions section. Click on Add a permission to specify the APIs your application will access. Select Microsoft Graph or another API relevant to your AI integration. Choose the appropriate permissions and grant admin consent if necessary. Once permissions are configured, open your development environment. Install the necessary SDKs to interact with Microsoft Entra ID. Use your application ID, directory ID, and client secret to set up the authentication process in your code. Implement the authentication flow using libraries like MSAL for your preferred programming language. Follow the documentation for token acquisition to securely obtain access tokens. With your access token, you can now make authenticated requests to the AI services. Test the integration thoroughly to ensure all components work together smoothly. Monitor the app for any authentication issues and adjust settings as needed. Congratulations, you have successfully authenticated with Microsoft Entra ID for your AI integrations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.